Hey there, this is Teacher Kapembwa from Fountain School. I'm back again and I'll be taking you in social studies. So before maybe we start the lesson, I would love you to answer just one question from me. When you go to the shop, you want to buy something from there. What do you use before you get what you want? When you go to the shop, and you want to buy, let's take for instance, you want to buy a biscuit or a sweet. What do you use in order for you to get what you want from the shop? Okay, take time to think about that. Okay, so our lesson today in social studies, we are going to look at money. I'm sure maybe when you are thinking about my question that I asked you, in your mind it came to say money is used to buy what we want from the shop. So today we're going to look at money, and we're going to look at the money that we use and things that are found on the same money that we use in Zambia. So today we're going to look at money. Okay, now under money, I want us to look at how money is used. When we identify the money that we use in Zambia, then we also look at how money is used. Okay, maybe you're just hearing from it say money, money. What is money? If you know what money is, then you are even going to know what we are going to discuss in this lesson. So when you're talking of money, money is a medium of exchange in form of coins or notes. Money is a medium of exchange in form of coins or notes. Okay, let's write that definition on the board. Okay, if you look at the board, I've written what money is. So we say money is a medium of exchange in form of coins or notes. Now, from our definition, there are two words that I would love to explain. Maybe three. When you say exchange, to exchange something, I'm going to give you something, then you give me something that I have not given you. For example, I have an apple, you have money. Okay, for you to get an apple from me or for you to buy an apple, you're going to give me the money, then I'm going to give you an apple. Okay, now that is exchange. Now, on the part of coins or notes, what are coins? What are notes? When you talk of money, we have, in Zambia we have two forms of money. We have coins as well as the paper money. So when you talk of coins, these are examples. Okay, here with me, these are coins. Okay, so coins is just a form of money that is used. Then apart from that, I said notes. What is the meaning of the word notes? So here with me, these are notes. Okay? So these are notes. So the difference between notes and coins, notes are made of paper. Then coins are made of metal. They are made of metal. So that is the only difference. So don't be surprised, say, when you hear the word coins. The word coins, it is a kind of money which is made from metal. Which is made from metal. Then notes are made from paper. Okay. Now, when we're talking of money, in Zambia, we use different notes and different coins. Maybe I'll start with the coins. Okay, so in Zambia we have coins. I'll start with the smaller ones. So here with me is a 5 ngwe. A 5 ngwe. Okay, let's write that on the board. Okay, so I said the smallest coin that we have is a 5 ngwe. Okay. Okay, so we have a 5 ngwe. From a 5 ngwe, we also have a 10 ngwe. We have a 10 ngwe, which is here. Okay. Okay. Apart from a 10 ngwe, we have a 15 ngwe. So that is a 15 ngwe. Okay. Then from a 15 ngwe, we have a 1 kwacha. We have a 1 kwacha. Now, when it comes to kwachas, we don't write, we start by writing, okay? Then you write the number of the money that you're given. So we have a 1 kwacha here. Okay, so that is a 1 kwacha. From a 1 kwacha, we have a 2 kwacha. So a 2 kwacha is made in form of a paper. So a 2 kwacha is here. Okay. From a 2 kwacha, here with me is a 5 kwacha. So that is another note. Okay, then from a 5 kwacha, we have a 10 kwacha. We have a 10 kwacha. Okay, then from a 10 kwacha, we have a 20 kwacha. Okay, then from a 20 kwacha, we have a 50 kwacha, which I'm going to show you from the chart. Okay, then from a 50 kwacha, we have a 100 kwacha. So that is a 100 kwacha, which is the biggest note in Zambia. So we have a 100 kwacha. Okay, so from we have coins this side together with 1 kwacha. Then the rest of the monies that is there, we have notes. So we say there are 2 forms of money in Zambia. We use coins as well as the notes. I said notes are made of paper. Then coins are made of metal. So that is the only difference which is there, but it is all money. So these are the notes that we use in Zambia. Now, from the same notes that we have in Zambia, there is one common thing that I would love you to tell me. Okay, look carefully. If you look at this note, they are having something that is common. They are having something that is common. You look at the 100 kwacha, look properly at the 20 kwacha. There is something that is appearing here. It is also appearing on the 20 kwacha. I would love you to take your time. Okay. Then, apart from these notes, I would love you to also take a good look at these coins. Okay, from 100 kwacha, I'm sure there was something that was like that. Okay, that was a 15 way. Then from a 10 kwacha, I would love you to look very carefully. There was something that was looking like that. Then from a 1 kwacha, there is also something that is there, which is also appearing on all the notes. Okay, so from this money that I've shown you, on 100 kwacha, there is also that. Okay, so now from your observation, I would love you maybe where you are to tell me what is common in all the monies that I've shown you. Okay. If you are paying attention, you will find that on all the notes as well as coins, they are having this. Remember when you are looking at national identities in social studies, we said they are 3 national identities. So amongst those, this is one of them. Okay, and if you can remember very well, we even mentioned the name of this. So this is called a coat of arms. A coat of arms. So on all the notes that we have in Zambia, there is a coat of arms. Let's write the word coat of arms. Okay, so a coat of arms appears on all the notes and coins that we have in Zambia. Apart from that, apart from a coat of arms, on all these monies, Okay, you're going to find that there is also another thing that is common. There is also another thing that is common. Okay? And it happens to appear on all the national identities that we talked about in social studies. So, without wasting much of your time, there is that bird. Who can guess that bird? What's the name of that bird? Okay, so the name given to this bird is called an eagle. The bird is called an eagle. Even on this note, it's there. On this note, it's there. Even on one kwacha, it's there. So this bird is called an eagle. Okay. Let's write the word an eagle on the board. Okay, so from all the notes and coins that we have, there are these two features that are on the monies that we use in Zambia. We have the first one, a coat of arms, then we also have an eagle. So we started by saying money is a medium of exchange in form of coins and notes. In this lesson, we've looked at these two forms of money. We said we have coins and notes. Coins, we said this is a form of money which is made from metal. Then notes, these are the notes. We said notes, it's a form of money which is made in form of paper. So meaning this money is made from paper. Okay, then from there we looked at the coins as well as notes that are used in Zambia. We started by looking at a 15 ngwe. We also looked at a 10 ngwe. We looked at a 15. We looked at a 5 ngwe. We looked at 1 kwacha. We looked at 10 kwacha, we looked at 2 kwacha, 20 kwacha, 5 kwacha, as well as 50 kwacha. So these are the notes that are used in Zambia. Then we said, on the notes, there are two features that appear on each and every note. We started by identifying a coat of arms. From a coat of arms, we also looked at a bird which is found on the notes as well as the coins. The bird which is found there, we said that is an eagle. So an eagle is found on all the notes that we use in Zambia. Okay, now I would love us to take a look at a chart and identify certain notes that are on the chart together. Okay, so these are some of the coins, the notes that are used in Zambia. Okay, these are some of the notes that are used in Zambia. We have a 2 kwacha. This is the front part of a 2 kwacha. This is the back side of a 2 kwacha. Then we have a 5 kwacha. We also have a 5 kwacha. We have a 10 kwacha, a 10 kwacha on the other side. We have a 20 kwacha. This is the front part. Then we also have a 20 kwacha, the back side of it. Then we have a 50 kwacha here. The back side of 50 kwacha is there. 100 kwacha, 100 kwacha. Remember, I said on all the notes that we have in Zambia, together with the coins, we have a coat of arms there. We have a coat of arms there. A coat of arms there, a coat of arms there. Apart from a coat of arms, we said there is also a bird which is found there. We said a bird which is found there, that is an eagle. So that is all about money. I started by defining what money is. We said money is a medium of exchange in form of coins and notes. Exchange, the word exchange means you exchange. You come to my shop, you want to buy sweets, you're going to give me money, then I'll give you sweets. That is exchanging. Then coins, we said it is a form of money which is made from metal. Then notes, it's a form of money which is made from paper. Then we also looked at some of the coins as well as the notes that are used in Zambia. So these are the notes, then we have coins. Okay. Then we cannot just go direct into using of money without knowing what money is and how it looks. So that is all about money. I'm Teacher Kapembwa. Then I would like you to pay attention to what I'm going to write on the board. I want you to respond to the questions that will be written on the board based on what you've learned. Okay, based on what you've learned, here is an exercise for you. The first question is saying, what do we call a medium of exchange in form of coins and banknotes? What do we call a medium of exchange in form of coins and banknotes? So you're going to write the answer there. Question 2. Write in 2 banknotes used in Zambia. Write in 2 banknotes used in Zambia. Question 3. Mention 2 features found on all the banknotes. Mention and 2 features found on all the banknotes. So you're going to write the 2 features that we discussed from the lesson. So this is the end of our lesson, and I'm Teacher Kapembwa from Fountain School, Grade 2B teacher. I'm saying bye-bye.